The blinking green light on an Alexa device indicates that a call is being received. A spinning light signifies that a call has been received or there is an active drop-in. To stop the green light from blinking, you can answer the call by saying, "Answer call," or you can reject it by saying, "Decline call," or simply ignore it until it stops ringing. The green light will cease blinking once the caller hangs up. Alternatively, if you wish to disable the green light entirely and prevent calls or drop-ins, you can do so through the Alexa app on your smartphone. To do this, navigate to the Devices section. Select the specific Alexa device you want to modify. Click on General, then Communication, and toggle the setting to the off position. This will automatically disable the green light, preventing it from blinking when the device is on.